So location-wise, Maple Grove, for those of you that don't know, it's a private driveway of only 5 houses. Beg your pardon, yeah, 5 houses, all large detached, similar to this one. This particular property has a bit of an advantage because you can see the amount of parking that we've got. If I just wander forward, you'll see that we've got double wooden gates, hopefully they're visible, just down the side here, and this takes you through to the garage. Double garage, parking, I should think 2 in the garage and 3 or certainly 4, I would say, on the driveway. So parking in all for 6 vehicles. So let's just look at the front of the house just before we go inside. Very attractive, originally built by Bewley Homes, built to a really good standard. And this property is offering no onward chain as well. So let's make our way inside and let's now give you a tour of the house. So as we go through the front door, you'll see immediately a very nice entrance hall with a staircase taking you to a gallery landing. We've also got quite a nice wooden flooring here. Let's just pan round to give you a full idea of the entrance hall. Let me step to one side. There's the front door that we've just come through. All the windows on this property are UPVC double glazed. It's gas radiator heating. We've got an understairs cupboard just there, as you can see. And also, the reason I'm just panning round here is because here we have another built-in double cupboard here. This is very much a cloaks cupboard. And the door here is to the downstairs WC. So let's just start with that one before we go into the main lounge. So as you can see, refitted, very nicely finished. Nice tiled flooring and fully tiled walls, heated towel rail there. And a wash basin with a vanity space underneath. So now, starting with the lounge. All of the rooms are effectively off this entrance hall. The lounge is through these double doors, and you'll see straight away that we have French doors opening into what we are calling a garden room. Let's just focus on the lounge first of all. You can see we've got a focal point there, the fireplace surround with a gas living flame effect fire. It's the radiator there, as you probably see. There's a second radiator in this room as well. And let's just step forward and show you. This is a glass construction overlooking the rear garden. As you can see, we are quite private as far as the garden's concerned. Let's just pan upwards. You can see the sort of slightly sloping roof there. So that's the lounge and the garden room. Let's just give you another idea of the lounge from this angle. And let's now walk through to the dining room. So that's this one here at the back. Again, you can see straight away we've got French doors opening onto the garden. Same flooring as in the hallway. And the door there on the left takes you through to the kitchen. I'm going to show you the study actually before we go into the kitchen breakfast room. So that's a good look at the dining room. Let's just turn around now. And here we have the study. Now, often the word study, being a very small word, tends to relate to small room, but this actually is more of a family room, to be honest. This is a really large third reception room. You can see we've got a front aspect window. Let me just point out the view there to the front. Again, the house is not overlooked at the front either. So this is the family room. So there, we've seen 3 reception rooms, and now across the other side of the house, through this door we have a proper breakfast room. Some people may use this as a dining area and then use the dining room as an additional reception room for other reasons. Maybe an additional family room. Let me just give you an idea of... So this is what we call the breakfast room. You can probably appreciate the size of it more from this angle. And obviously we're looking out the front. And then this opens through this arched opening through to the kitchen. So very nice kitchen, lots of eye-level units, base units, work surfaces, as you can see there on the right hand side. We've got an integrated fridge freezer there. Looking over the other side and to the rear, there we have a built-in double oven and a 5-ring gas hob. There's an integrated dishwasher just down on the right hand side there. This overlooks the rear, of course. Just give you an idea of the view out the back. A nice tiled floor as well. And a separate utility room. So that's this one here, just on the right. This gives you access through to the side driveway, through that door. And there we have the plumbing for the wash machine, tumble dry space as well, eye-level unit, and of course the gas-fired boiler. And there is a sink, hot and cold water in the utility room. So that's the kitchen and breakfast area. So let's now take you back into the hallway and let's make our way upstairs. I've just had a message come in that, or a question I should say come in, that's asking me about the location of the property. Yeah, more specific to close to shops, I believe. It says amenities. I'm sure you mean shops and that sort of thing, bus services. Well, Maple Grove is actually off Butts Hill Road. Butts Hill Road is one of the main roads that runs north-south through Woodley. And the buses run along there, so very convenient for that. But also, we're really not that far from Woodley Shopping Centre, probably half a mile or so. And that's a very convenient amenity to have. I'm just focusing on the landing here, as you can see. Nice big landing. So, 5 bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes. Let's start in the main bedroom. That's this one here. So this is at the front of the house. As you can see here, if I just pan around to the left, we've got 2 single built-in wardrobes. There's a double there on the left as well. A door opening through into the ensuite. Now this is a 4-piece, so we have a bath and a shower cubicle. There's the wash basin, low-level WC and the bath. And I'm just going to spin around here. We have the built-in shower cubicle recessed in, a really good size as well. Just on my right, you may have spotted a heated towel rail there as well. So a very nice ensuite 4-piece to the master bedroom. There's another view of the main bedroom. We do have a super king size bed in situ there, so that hopefully gives you an idea of just how much more space you've got. Okay, so the second bedroom has an ensuite as well. So we have 3 bathrooms upstairs. Second bedroom being this one here. Again, it's a double room. This is actually overlooking the rear. Let me just step into the room and turn round. I'm talking about wardrobes. Let's show you. Double and single just there. And of course, as mentioned, another ensuite to this bedroom. So this is a shower ensuite, shower WC. You can see the 2 there, wash basin and low-level WC, and then there's the shower cubicle. As you can probably tell as we're walking around this house, very nicely presented, very well kept, and a property which really does not need any work doing to it, in my view. So let's just go across here and then we'll go to the other side of the house. So this is another bedroom. I'm imagining this is probably bedroom 4. So we do have a built-in double wardrobe just there on the left, and they're actually freestanding, but could well stay with the sale. Okay, so that's 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms we've seen. Let's now go with this side of the house. Let's look at this room. Again, a double room. So this is at the front. And if I just step in and pan round to the left, you'll see again double and single built-in wardrobes. So that's 4 bedrooms, and finally bedroom 5 is this one here. So this is at the rear. Single room for bedroom 5, all the others are doubles. You can see the built-in wardrobe in the corner there. That's actually a freestanding wardrobe, which again, I'm imagining could well stay. Rear aspect window. So that's 5 bedrooms, and of course, last but not least, upstairs we've got the family bathroom. So this is actually a shower room toilet. It's got a walk-in shower there. Hopefully you can see we've got a glass shower screen. Very nicely finished. The low level WC, the wash basin with the vanity covered under, and then the heated towel rail just there. Last but not least, I didn't point out, on the landing we have the airing cupboard. Okay, so there we have the house. Let's now make our way downstairs and I'll show you the rear garden. We're obviously in North Woodley here, very much on the Sonning border. Very much, let's go through this way here to the garden. Yes, it's a lovely location, this property, very tucked away, yet very convenient for everything. So, the rear garden. I'm going to start actually by just looking round to the left here, because this just gives you an idea of what I was talking about earlier, the double gates. They're the double gates there. Door on the left hand side is to the kitchen, and then just spinning all the way around, the double garage. Now this double garage is actually quite a large double garage. I'm not actually going to show you inside today, only because it's full of stuff. It's all used for storage. Certainly on a viewing, we'll definitely be showing you inside, of course. But it is a decent double garage. Nice pitch roof on it there. Let's focus on the garden. Very pleasant, certainly on a day like today. I'm going to wander down here and just show you the back of the house. Let's just turn round. And yeah, back of the house, equally as attractive as the front, as you can probably see. So that just about brings us to the end of the tour. So thank you for those people that have clicked on the request a private inspection. If you'd like to do so and you haven't, then this is the last opportunity, because we're just about coming to the end of the tour. Obviously you can phone in numbers on the website and book a viewing anyway. So okay, well, thanks for watching and look forward to hearing from you.